Today, we're going to go over some updates on some stocks and crypto. Apple and Intel that just had their earnings today, as well as an update related to XRP. But before we get started, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's start with Apple. The company beat expectations when it comes to earnings, but there are some concerning trends. But before we get into that, another positive that's going for them right now is their services revenue hit a record high thanks to growth in Apple Music, iCloud, as well as the App Store. So it's currently at 244.40 in the after hours, up 2.90%. What is the issue when it comes to Apple? Their iPhone sales came in lower than expected, and that's a big deal. While Apple is making money from its services, the iPhone is still its core product. So, weak sales could be a warning sign that we, the consumers, are holding onto our phones longer, or that Apple is facing tougher competition, especially in international markets like in China. So, for investors, this raises an important question. Is Apple's future all about services, or does it need another major product breakthrough in order to generate more revenue? So, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I have shared many times that when it comes to individual stocks in my taxable accounts, Apple is my biggest position. And I'm currently up 59.24%. Share your thoughts about Apple's earnings results in the comments. Is this a position that you hold in your portfolio? Now, on to Intel. They also had strong results, but the company is in the middle of a major shakeup. Intel CEO Pat Gelsinger is out. Last month, they made an announcement that he would be retiring immediately. So the company is currently searching for a permanent replacement as CEO. But in the meantime, two Intel executives have stepped up to be co CEOs. So, for investors, this kind of leadership change can bring uncertainty. Will the new CEO stick to Intel's plan of competing with those big names like NVIDIA and AMD in the AI chip market? Or will they make a shift and have a new strategy? Intel is still trying to prove itself when it comes to being a leader when it comes to semiconductors. But without strong leadership, it could struggle to catch up with those competitors, those big names like NVIDIA, which are dominating when it comes to AI. So, what do you think? Can Intel turn things around, or is the competition too far ahead? Let me know in the comments. So now let's take a look at crypto. XRP is currently $3.13. And we saw some news today related to XRP. Grayscale has officially filed for an XRP ETF. And if it is approved, this could be a major milestone for this digital asset. So, why do ETFs matter? It allows institutional investors to get exposure to XRP without directly buying them. It brings more liquidity into the market, which could lead to greater adoption of XRP and crypto as a whole. We've already seen this with Bitcoin. So I've even had to make a shift in my personal portfolio in order to invest into it. In my Fidelity accounts, I had to invest into FBTC instead of directly into Bitcoin, which I also do in my taxable accounts. We've seen Bitcoin ETFs open up the door for those more traditional investors. If the XRP ETF gets the green light, it could send prices soaring, but regulatory approval is still in question. So let me know your thoughts. Do you think that the SEC will approve this, or is XRP facing a long battle ahead? When it comes to investing into crypto, do you have a preference? Would you rather invest into the ETF as opposed to directly into XRP or Bitcoin? So, with these updates, what should investors keep an eye on? When it comes to Apple, how will they continue to grow? Do they need to shift more towards services since they're facing this weakness when it comes to iPhone sales? Who will be the next CEO of Intel, and will they get them on the right path? And will this XRP ETF get approved and be a huge catalyst for this cryptocurrency? Whether it's tech stocks or crypto, things are always evolving. So let's continue to do our research, stay informed, and strive to make the best decisions possible when it comes to building our portfolios because our goal here is to make our money grow. So I've made a few successful option trades when it comes to Apple this week, and I'm holding one contract right now, and things are looking good in the after hours. When it comes to XRP, I'm still building into that position on the dips. I'm currently up 29.10%, and I do not hold any Intel in my portfolio, just getting exposure through my ETFs there. So, share in the comments, what are you doing? Buying, holding, or just sitting on the sidelines? If you're not already, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Use my referral links. We'll both get free stock and you'll be supporting the channel. And also check out my channel membership. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.